Raz, where are we, mate?
We're in Medway, River Medway, near Gillingham, or Gillingham, however you want to pronounce it. And we're on a beautiful day, not too sunny, 21 degrees Celsius. Here we are, we've got Moif doing all the work now. There you go.
That's why you got me in it, man.
Moif is my expert. Every time I go do something dangerous in the water, I take Moif with me. He's the best man for that sort of stuff. And I look forward to more adventures.
This is Razzak.
Got my Kung Fu slippers.
Hey, go on, do a Kung Fu kick. Okay, we'll edit that out. It's fine. What have you forgotten, Raz?
I forgot these, mate.
What are they?
It helps you steer and keep the thing straight.
They look like shark fins.
All over the place. Yeah, it's underneath shark. It keeps the other big sharks away. Right, let's see. The way they designed this, it only goes in one way.
Alright, Raz, we've made it.
We've made it. You see that castle right in front of you? We're going to go storm it. We're going to claim it for the Abduls.
Abdul and Abdul.
You know how
There's some pools where you
the
have
royal
pools.
family love the Abduls. It's only the right hours.
10 minutes into it.
Tell you a secret?
Yeah, go on.
I can't swim.
So I've got this
I don't.
big thing. Should we not stay near the sides then, near the boat?
I was joking.
There is.
Hello, everybody! 360!
You know, in the edit you can,
Bring it back again.
Yeah.
Whatever.
there's a little bit of stitching just here. That's not perfect, but think about what it's doing.
Yeah, no, it's mental. I see some.
It's like,
It's set up. Just put
we'll
it
do a
in the
really
middle.
close one.
Alright, people, we're heading towards Chatham. That's where I was born. I'm just going back to where I come from. Thank you very much for all those people tagging them, telling me to go F off back to where I come from. And it's what I'm doing, go to Chatham. Bye.
Yo, 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 what's going on? What's going on? We're just coming back from our trip. That was awesome. Didn't break into sweat. Covered about 2-3 miles max, but that was a good day out. My man was there to help me. I was really scared of the water, but Muif, thank you very much, Muif. Cheers, buddy. Thank you for that.
It's all good. Heading back down. Where are we going?
Well, back to Romford.